Hi everyone, welcome back to the Intro Hub. I'm Axel, and I'm a bit tired today because my neighbors were very loud last night.
Oh no, that's the problem with city living, right? I'm Alessia, and today we are talking about homes.
We're going to compare my city apartment with Alessia's house and teach you the words you need to describe your own space.
So, Axel, tell us about your place.
I live in a medium-sized apartment. It's in the city center on the 4th floor. Luckily, there is an elevator, so I don't have to use the stairs, but it is very noisy because of the traffic outside.
I have the opposite. I live in a small house in a quiet area. I have a garden, which is lovely, but a house is much more work. I spend a lot of time cleaning.
My favorite room is the living room. It's where I relax. I have a big, comfortable gray sofa and a TV mounted on the wall. And of course, a coffee table for my snacks.
My living room is very cozy. I have a blue sofa, but my favorite spot is a big armchair by the window. It's perfect for reading. I also have many plants everywhere. What about your kitchen, Axel? Is it tidy?
Haha, that's hilarious. It's small and modern, so I try to keep it clean. It has a fridge, a stove, and an oven, but I don't have a dining table, so I usually eat in the living room.
My kitchen is big and has a round table where I eat with friends, but honestly, sometimes it's messy. I really dislike washing the dishes.
My bathroom is very simple. White tiles, a mirror, a sink, and a shower. I like to keep it very clean.
I prefer a bathtub. It's so relaxing after a long day.
And the bedroom? My bedroom is very quiet. It has blue walls and a soft double bed with 2 big pillows. I have a full wardrobe for my clothes and a small lamp on my bedside table. My floor has carpet, so it's warm on my feet.
I have wood floors with a soft rug in my bedroom. It feels very natural.
I don't have a garden, but I do have a small balcony. I love to drink my coffee there and look at the city view.
That sounds nice, but I love my grass. I usually just sit on a chair in my garden and enjoy the fresh air.
Let's review the power words from today. Number 1, cozy. C-O-Z-Y. This means a place is warm, comfortable, and makes you feel relaxed, like a soft sofa or a warm blanket. Number 2, noisy. If your neighbors are shouting or the cars are loud, your home is noisy. It means there is too much sound. Number 3, quiet. This is the opposite of noisy. It's peaceful, it's silent, and it's perfect for studying. Number 4, messy. If your clothes are on the floor and your desk is covered in papers, your room is messy. It is not organized. Number 5, tidy. If everything is in the right place, your room is tidy. It is clean and very well organized. And finally, number 6, bright. A room with big windows and lots of natural sunlight is a bright room.
Now we want to hear from you. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Is your home noisy or quiet, modern or cozy? Describe your favorite room in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Intro Hub broadcast for more English lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.